Fire.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another edition of Solid Rock Entertainment. On today's show, we have none other than Stefan Penninsilin. Yes, this man is a great, talented comedian, singer-songwriter. I mean, a lot of songs that's going out there on the charts right now. He has his own radio station, various plays. I know this man for a very long time, and I'm telling you, this man is very talented. I've worked with him before in the past, and I'm telling you, this man knows how to rock the crowd. Welcome to this event, my
Greetings, Rasta.
Give thanks.
Yes,
so what the man doing today?
You know, sir, me sit down right as I talk to you.
Alright, I said for
Yeah, that's what me I do.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, don't still, you know, I hear it.
Yeah, what time now? About 9 o'clock?
Yeah, it depends who I watch still, because some people, they are Indian and foreign.
That too. All about.
Yeah.
Big up every massive from all.
Yeah, it's a blessing. No.
Yes. So, Penninsilin, we're going to get into some questions. Just to get into the mind of Stefan Penninsilin.
Yeah.
Although sometimes we know so that man like you we can go around curve and corner, but we're going to rock it.
We go straight in, you know.
No other choice. No other choice. Alright, boss. So, when did you know that comedy and entertainment was something that was your calling?
Well, you know, say, as something where it come like economy, you know, I know me. Because I'm born in that thing, for me a youth. Let me go back post for me can remember. In Jamaica, we used to live on the Gully Bank, Whitehall Avenue. Right on the Gully water, they when my father say my Gully God.
The Gully God.
Well, I'm a Gully creator. God everybody that grew up on the Gully before Cassava Peace turn up. That we say, Gully creator.
I told you that this show is going to be something else. It's going to be, we're going to turn it up.
Yeah.
Right.
So, remember, we go Solar Field School. Yeah? So, remember when them have a little thing as you go around in Colgate Cavity Fighter.
Right.
You know, when they are going to school and people sing on them something there. From there, so now, what the man name, we do it, them time, I never bell in them, as you call it, never bell, and Adam Magnus. Why them come on there?
Yeah.
The old man there, as you come through and remember the day one day now, them say, yo, you have to deal with it, you know. And I said them time, look at you, you know, remember me I talk about 8, you know, 9, them local levels there, you know. Remember man, call me always, you know, we get to picnic, so we used to the streets.
Right.
So when we are 9, we feel like we are 15.
Same.
Yes, so, we have a tune, I build my tune, because everybody have planned to sing that song, and the art song them time, there was Papa son of a song name. The animals are wicked and wild, and my thing that, you know, about my virgin, I go sing that.
Okay.
So, me say, well, me have to build a song, so I build a song named Black Bubbler. You know, remember, because we didn't go Whitehall and I remember it. No, ask me to sing it, I remember, but I remember the topic. Then when time, when Lada big car, when I drive Lada, you're rich.
Yeah.
So me I talk about Lada and Cartina and I, you know. Yeah, right. And whole heap of big people start see it and say, yo, yeah, but going on, the people, I'm turning on the radio the day to listen to me, but unfortunately my father, you know, I'm a garrison people and him there on the thing and him not take the thing so serious. You know, I never end up rich, but the teacher them expect me and them know it, so I sing it at various places. So I know say something there and the people so them are going to introduce me to tasties, talent competition but me them time them is small. You know what I mean? And my father was a feared man. When I say feared man, some people he was hungry. I go to a garrison papa me up. So
right.
some people don't really want to say, boy, take me for carry me. So them never carry me, so me easy back and we have to run on the Whitehall and go to Stone Hill go live on. Up there so now I'm mad at that, so we can go a road. Them time we start DJ on a Sony Magnum, Black Magic, Step by Step, and you're the words.
Yeah man.
So
you know the dancer.
Yeah man. So me start go so boom down and go down a tasties now for my own.
Yeah.
Go there every year man. I can't get picked for 89.
Okay.
Yeah man, but me no ease up, me no give up. So me I say if you're an artist or you're somebody where do something, one time you try it, you don't give up. Sometimes the best thing for you is to lose. Because if you lose, you know how to win.
Right.
True. And that happened, I go so woman never make it, never get called. But 1998 now, when I bridge, you know what I mean, we are talking to his sister, so we say, oh, we are going there, we're going there. And slap it way. In September, we win this semi-final. And the win, we win it. The winning get to the edge, so we never put in a work for the final.
Okay.
So we reach a final. The paper say the farmers bottom out. Because we are farmers and that means we was favorite, but we bottom out. We come back a person, we come last.
Last of the last.
Yeah man, and it slapped me where I said, okay, we are go back the following year. Go back the following year and that was 2000, that was 89 and a lady night. Again, make sure, not because somebody do the same thing like you never fail to give good advice. Because good advice, sometimes the good advice come up above you. But the person where you put there, if them have good mind, they will pull you to be great.
Right.
Because 89 a lady named Janet Denton with the rehearsal of Fab 5 and she never feel comfortable with the way the bands are playing. And she said, yo, Stefan, can I have a name? Stefan. She said, Stefan, you know, say, me now come at the show. Me I said, I said not because she a ras. Me say, come in, man. She said, no, me say, here what? Don't make them say your rehearsal and don't come. Wait till you come, sing it and just come off and go home.
Right.
So they say, no, so because you tell me so me I go come that 89. So me go down as the big song, a song named Loose Me and now, Virgin and stop up the place and then now, she just go because me tell her to come.
Right.
Well, she was a part of the contestant, but she vexed because the band don't play good.
Right.
She sing a song named Gotta Take a Little Time to think it over. Me tell you something. So the woman go, the woman just hold the mic like this. And I hide back at the box because she just looked at me and don't want to go out there.
Right.
But she start the song, the crowd lift up and tell her, come out on the stage. You see the walk out, she walk out, she get best performance and she beat me. Second, I come.
Wow, okay.
But the respect what she gained from me telling her come, me never feel no way that she beat me.
Yeah.
And she honor and respect.
Yeah.
In a grand final she come fourth. Me come last again. 2000 me go back, me and the same youth mess up. Then me have to stop and realize. So sometime, 50 me soon on. So some my time I have to realize. So in a losing, learn from one or lose. In a failing in life, learn from it and then try to do better. Because 2001, I decided I never go back with me alone. I go that time. Yeah. And I start to take from all my winning semi-final but couldn't win grand final. I put it up and said, this is what happened. I now put in a work after I come so good in the semi-final. So it look like I never put in more work in the final.
Right.
That year I come third. This time I win the semi-final. I come third.
Right.
That time the National Walters in Boston, him name Picnic. And a youth named Try. Mash up the place, Kevin Jones was it that year there. And we said, alright, I come third. But here what happened? I go treat it like me just start the competition. And I start practice from July.
Right.
August. Semi-final, I don't know the semi-final, so that one, but my semi-final over, I can't go back. I start practice. When me reach December grand final, them treat me the worst. They have a group named Vice Me a little night where if a body say Vice Me, they go slap on the show. And Kevin Jones well. Major people night. Yellow man daughter.
Wow.
Yeah man, and so the place I go slap where me I say yo, and some of them man with the farming too. And me alone, a policeman across road, him come there, my big inspector, and him say to me, so where you name? And I say, Ampa. Because I tell you, the yam and the banana for me, sorry, you never have the clip, because we have it. And him go, so boom, have the banana for me, and me alone par. Walk, go buy my food, now the money broke like church mouse. But that time, I decided I'm going to take it serious.
Yeah.
Same time, my time come, I'm going to go past stage. I go past stage, and when I step on it and crush it, a man run found a crowd. In my big artist, no Lubert leave it.
Okay.
Fly around the crowd and come in the back and say, yo, him say, yo, farmer man in car. He's a farmer man. If you not win, me I win. I mean, I'm in the competition.
See.
When National Waters, who beat me at semi-final, come off, he look for me and say, listen, I hear I win. So I say, my youth, you win, you beat the semi-final, him and say, listen, man, I hear I win. And that year, there was the year, I win the grand final. Slap it for big time.
Okay.
2 years after, we go festival. So them think they start to propel me. Festival 2003, I win it.
See.
And me take what I learn from tastes.
Right.
Never ease up.
Right.
Take every performance to all young artists, to all business people. Every presentation, it must be a winning presentation. Not because people know you're good at your craft. Don't say, boy, people know me, man, and take it like we mash up the industry nowadays. Because all the man feel like because my name, Penninsilin, my name, Stitcher, my name, Sonny, my name, Nicholas, my name, Puff Daddy. We can't just walk on the street and people go ball out. No. Work on your craft until you don't stop work until you're dead. Okay. And I do that 2003, win. Go back 2004, win. Done with contest. And we take it over there.
Take it over there now. So we used to say this morning all over the place with the music. And like I said, even the players. Speaking of players now, we know that you touch many different topics. You know, I remember one specifically got over Obia. And but is there any plays that you have done, and you can even include the songs too? Is there any songs or plays that you have done that are or will ever do that might have a topic that you might be intimidated to touch on?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The song we have now, we make the big song. Can I take it up on YouTube? It named Breast Leg and Tie.
Yes.
It's a world song. You get an award for that about 3 years straight.
Right.
You know what I mean? And that song they released 10, and to this day 15 going into 16 is my biggest song.
Wow.
And not that many do more songs, 6 album going 7, and that song there, anyway I go and sing that song there, a joke thing, being called now to England, that song, we go in Canada, right around the world we go, that song there is it.
See.
And it's touchy because that song there was banned in Cayman Island.
Wow.
And a gospel station.
Really?
Oh yeah, man, the guy banned it. He said he no want to play on him station, and but after that he have to go back and play it because he ban it.
Yeah.
It becomes the biggest song in a Cayman.
Okay.
So when him go on the radio station now, and him not play the biggest song, him low. So him have to start run it.
Of course.
So him start to play it 6 times back a while, and people start to call me and say, Benny, and the 5th time this year.
Yeah. I'm gonna ban something like
because
that.
so when him do it, I say, well, I go to a church in New Jersey, and I pastor man say, yo, I want one of your album, I don't want one of your Breast Leg and Tie.
Wow.
You get what I say?
Trying to get out of a fight.
Yeah, I go Canada, and a woman say, I want support you, but give me a different album. Here when she love it now. She never have the album, no penninsilin for her one day, and she go one place named Edmonton, way up about 4 hours from Toronto, and go up to go hear somebody rock the album. Another time they say she want to teach the people them album.
Yeah, wow. Wow.
Because now people are pay attention to me. Now look out for no special thing.
No.
I'm just saying based on how I grew up and brought up, say, you know what I mean? And when me I say, me a man, I'm gonna go to some concert to my time, and yeah, see too far up on the ladies them leg.
That exposure.
Yeah. So I'm just saying, you know what I mean? Just don't understand, say.
Right.
Man, that's all me I say. And you go say, boy, I'm not look. I'm not blind, me I look.
Yeah, right.
Because he's an interact performer. So you try me I go down, me I go off of the stage, and me I go down for you. You get me I say?
It's hard when you come with a performance. Yeah.
Oh yeah, me I have to go deal with it. But me nah, I'm just saying, you know what I mean, Breast Leg and Tie, it wasn't even coming from me, it's a pastor man, me I preach, but that about some man can't get the mess. First of all, I'm going to Jamaica and perform it to the place, so I'm done it. One of the woman of the church come to me and said, thanks brother. A long time pastor want to bring out that message in our church, but don't know how to do it.
Okay. So
and I feel that way when me I do it to them, because I see pastor, I go shine up, literally, you know. I'm not saying look like me, I go cut, I'm going to cut it and come off, I'm not cut me for cut it. Me if you continue to chat, but based on his action, me think he must say me for court or he not like it.
Right.
But me understand say a long time I try bring it out in them church because the people might do it, but he don't know if he do it. If he got hear me come with it, it was a confirmation to him. So that was a song where people be not, you know what I mean, people get below because Dirty Berry talk about it by him show.
Yeah man,
you did see it.
Me see it on YouTube and I'm telling you, it's getting a lot of likes.
Yeah.
Check it out people, Breast Leg and Tie, if you never seen it, Stefan Penninsilin. Check it out on YouTube, Breast Leg and Tie. I'm telling you, that song there massive, different. Whole heap of metaphors and I don't even know what in the song you're going dead with laugh, man, I'm telling you. So next question, Penninsilin. What are you currently working on at this present moment?
Well, the truth is about it, Penny always a work on something. As you know, you're in the studio recording, so we are doing things.
Sorry for cutting. Yes, a matter of fact, I should have said this in the beginning, but we're on site at Stefan Penninsilin's radio station. Tell them about the radio station real quick, I'll get back to this.
A radio station, penninsilin.com. You know what I mean? We play hardcore gospel, you know, we play reggae gospel. Let me say reggae gospel. Yeah. Because more time, I want to bring out a message and I can't find a diartic gospel artist to bring out the message there.
Right.
And I have to look for doing Steve stuff to bring out the message there.
Right.
Yeah, if I talk to me want to talk to some man we are going bad with the machine. Me now probably can't find unless me have a prodigal son, but if me not in a hardcore mood, me in a one drop mood, me drop me doing Stevenson.
Right.
And they say thing does.
Right.
Me pop up me lotion now.
Right.
You know what I mean? We now go down low, me now go down in your throat because me no gauge.
No. Yeah. Who leave that one there alone? We're not touch that one. We're not going to touch that one. Gage, you hold your stage.
Yeah.
So
we did this, so that's how we do. We do it here, so you know, so well, as of Monday now, as of next week, Monday, we are planning to kick off a new thing from 9 to midnight, we call it What's Popping. We are talking about going to the entertainment business. We go through what was entertainment we are talking about.
Right.
Talk about the hot one and the not one.
Right.
And Tuesday we do straight talk, we deal with some hot topic. That's how we give them feel enough time. Because the hot topic, we go straight, we go hard like water.
Check it out, people.
Yeah, man, Tuesday night, we go hard, we deal with some hard topic.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? And Thursday no whole day, you know, some fireball. We just turn the thing up. So that's on the radio station. If you want to follow it, chip it up to that penninsilin.com. That's penninsilin.com. Easy.
Man. Full of style.
Yeah.
No, on a more serious, well, before I even jump into the next question.
You was asking what I was working at.
That too, but I think you covered a lot of that with the radio station and the breast again tie and so. But you had said a name, and we're not here to really jump on any artists or anything like that. But views and opinions from different people is important.
Yeah.
Conversation.
Yeah.
You call the name Prodigal Son.
Yeah.
Now you would clarify yourself as a gospel artist, right?
Yeah. What we write about now, we say artist. Minister, regardless you want to be, me I entertainer, me everything, because look up and afraid of the name, it's an entertainer, but entertainment must be in it.
Right.
Artist, I am an artist.
Right, because I'll just say he had gotten Prodigal Son had gotten a lot of backlash from the church because he didn't want to no longer call himself a gospel artist, but just an artist.
Him go back to it now. Because he's doing the gospel back now. When we have a book writer come out now, name criticized still, so that will defend him.
Right.
You understand? That will defend him, and a lot of the dancehall artists them that is gospel.
Or overall, how do you feel about any artist, not just Prodigal, but any artist that feel like they don't want to be considered a gospel artist, but they just want to be considered an artist? Do you feel like they're running away from, not anybody specific, but do you feel as if they're running away from that genre, or what do you feel about them wanting to do stray away from that name?
Well, music is music to me. It's music, and gospel means good news. True. So it means that Gully Bop can bring the good news. It means Gully Bop can bring the gospel.
True.
It only because if it's just like Lucian is known as a reggae artist, because all of his songs is on a reggae beat.
Okay.
So he's a reggae man where Desem, the Bob Marley is a reggae thing. Bounty Killer, dancehall artist, cause I'm hungry, cross.
Miserable.
So a theme thing that. Prodigal Son now, if him say him no want to be known as a gospel artist, yet doing gospel, it is a confused statement. I would have said that in terms of I don't want to be a police, but I'm just not in a police uniform. You make no sense. Okay. So I don't think, I think what he was trying to say is that him not only do gospel, so just call him an artist.
Okay.
That means to say, if I feel like me I go do a reggae song. So don't stereotype me as a gospel artist. I think that's what he was trying to say. I don't know, I need to do an interview with him and send it out, so I'm waiting. Okay. So I think that's what he's trying to say.
Okay.
He's trying to say that, but for me, the music and me is a gospel, reggae gospel entertainer. I'm going to tell you the difference with me now. If you put on Sting, you can call penninsilin. I mean, the ways I go up on the stage, I go say, yes, Jesus love me. Because me have enough songs when I put on.
Right.
When I know which part me there, but perform to my crowd.
See.
If so, me have Sting, I can't go there. Breast leg and tie, I always shot everywhere me do it. Whether dance or secular, anywhere me do it. Them sitting there, because you know me that, me hardcore, but me sitting there, I have a song named Allergy. Where anywhere me do it, dance I love it, gospel love it. Because me talk one thing, the truth.
Right.
You get the message? So, the only thing I was trying to get away from, and it did work, is I don't like to be. I went up after winning the 2 festival, and I was in Jamaica. People always say, when people say penninsilin, they say, oh, the festival artist, no, we never want that.
Gotcha.
That's the only stereotype name we never want. Because if you're called a festival artist, promoters or producers are afraid of you.
Right.
Because them say, festival is a big them kind of something there. I don't know, most reggae festival artists do much besides the festival.
Right.
Some of them really want to be the Santa Claus person. Right. So me stepping away from that, come to the US, it make now some people that Jamaica don't remember.
Right.
People that give me a call, I do an interview and then call them back. Here. Yeah, so people in Jamaica no remember. Yeah, they start by. Them no. It's just me, I'm not going to make them know. So, yo, thing like, yeah, penninsilin went festival. It's the only stereotype, but the one. Because I approach a major gospel artist when I was saying, no, a gospel I got to fully.
Right.
I want them to know gospel I got to fully. So we say a gospel I got to fully. I will call a major artist, gospel artist. Now I'm going to call the name popular. And we got to him and we say, as a matter of fact, I was in the studio, man named Dan McDowell was recording me. And doing my song, my first gospel song that I produced named Toop Toop. And when he heard him call him, man, he said, listen me man, that body are bad, you need to have their camp. And the response of the producer was, festival, no sir, stereotype that.
Right.
And him turned me down. You know, when him see me a MC a show and him run come there.
Right.
When him see me into the show, him say, wait, are you here about your man? Give me a link. And I just dash with the card, real thing. Dash with the card, because I'm never interested.
Right.
Because we say potential over hype, all the while.
All the time.
Because a man we have the hype, you have to maintain that when the hype drop, you're dead. If you have potential, all when gully back down, then the gully can rise. Potential over hype, we say.
That's very true.
Yeah, potential over hype.
Yeah. Well, the next question, you know, onto other things, more serious things. As we can see on the news and we can see what's going on in the world today, people going into the churches and shooting people of God in the churches. I mean, police brutality is on the rise. What's penninsilin views towards those situations, and how do you feel as if, do you think situation is going to get worse before it get better, or what do you think is going on? I think it's fulfillment of prophecy.
At end time still, you know. At end time. You have to understand the end time, and if you want to read the end time and see it, you have to just jump in a Matthew 24. That's how we have a song named Judgment Preacher we talk about in Matthew 24. The Bible clearly put it down. Where you go hear some boy, nation against nation, kingdom against kingdom, man out to walk school, you know what I mean, where we are say, yo, some little baby I walk with gun. And the next thing again, this it's racism thing, and this thing we are going here. Where, you know what I mean, some people grow up with that mentality the way, yo, black people for dead and black people. But as a matter of fact, sometimes we ourselves have to take it. When you come out to police brutality, enough time we ourselves have to take it, you know.
Right.
And also, you know, so we need to shape up our act. Because we say we have the right sometimes, we don't bash, we don't give the police the strength, you know. We have to understand, say, a man in the law, a man we have work for the government, he have power, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah.
And a man with a gun, you can't call him fool if it load. Yeah. So
remember that.
Yeah, man, that gun no call him somebody because most of the time you look for the news, you know, you hear say boy the police pull over a man, you know. And the man say, I have my right, and the police shot him. He have him right, but him dead left it.
Gone with the wind.
Yeah, so me I said to the man them, the black man them in the place as us. When I see the police them, me no sound of fear them, but they me see a thing where a policeman stick up a black man I walk with a black dog. And when the police stick him and the dog put up into and they say, yo, not no the dog, I don't see dog black.
Oh man, I'm telling you.
This is the dog decides to be black, so no one shoot me. You understand? So
this one.
it happens, and the lack of love for people, you understand? We have to understand, say, black or white, we are seeing blood, you know. Chinese, everybody, we are seeing blood.
Yes, brother.
And the love of man, the love of many walk school. It means that the man is not the love again, and some little people have a one gun and them get it legal because them name police. Them feel like they brutalize people. And that goes for Jamaica and America. Nobody feel like America alone.
Right.
Because Jamaica, the more you go Jamaica, you prefer you see a bad man more than a police sometimes. You understand? Like truth, because I say something go car legally. And we don't bash the officers. We are saying to the youth them, walk upright, don't nothing unruly, don't move illegal, don't move like you're frightened.
Are you at your head at?
Yeah, no, but with them foolishness there because and I want to say to the man them too, just think wise. And the woman them we are different, the man them we are the foolishness. You know, be careful too. And stop ball out when the woman kill people, I don't love it. And when police kill them, you say a good man. And a good man. Because when you have enough people want money where in jail. But that's the foolishness. Yes, so it's just people for us be wise and just have love and in time.
Okay.
You understand? So we just have to just know God. Always know some boy say if you don't pray, you don't play.
No, play.
Yes, I say don't play, pray.
You hear that, people? Well, for instance, we know that you're a busy man and stuff like that, and we're coming down to the end of the interview.
Man.
But real quick, how do you, with all the plays you have sometime, radio station, all these things going on, consider yourself a renaissance man, right? How do you balance your work and your family at the same time?
Well, one of the things is, most of my thing, them, my family in it. Whenever I have a player, my daughter at the door, or she's doing something in the business.
Okay. You
understand? My wife, she manages me. She's the one who do my booking, so she knows.
Right.
And of course, it's my studio, it's my recording studio, it's my radio station, and it's also my wife's office because she working from home. So over the side of the business, she work right so.
Right.
So when me in the station, she over there so. You understand? And me there here, I do is go look after my rabbit them and take care of the thing daytime, me pick them run up and down, we ram if we there here.
Right.
You know what I mean? When we're out, we out and me have a magic app on my phone in Canada or US. Me can call her upon it.
Okay.
It's a balancing thing we have to do it, and at the same time you don't know you have to do the work because a greater work we have to do. You get me? I say so. Yeah. Family works, you know what I mean, and we have time when, you know what I mean, I feel if we go up on the road, but I have next time I say you feel if we drive out. More time if we go anywhere, go minister anywhere in a song or road or anything nearby. Them there. First of all, if I play, the whole of we have to get
it. Yeah, speed of it a bun up.
The whole of we are drive, that weekend we go to Georgia too. And we jump in a vehicle and we're gone. Remember, God over here.
Yeah, that's the next question I was gonna ask you.
Okay.
What is the next? What's the latest play going on for you right now? What are you promoting?
Well,
what are you on the road doing right now?
Okay. We're on the road right now. In terms of concert, we kind of ease up over the concert them. Because the concert them nowadays kind of not even show the love and miss too much competition night. And as I tell you before, I pass taste competition, I pass the festival competition. So if I want competition, I go to them competition. I now stay up on the stage and then I realize boy, an artist, they're bad man, artist, they're rare, artist, they're rare, we are fighting it. And the whole purpose of God not getting his glory too. We now see it too.
Right.
You understand? So it's too much hit me. So we do that. But right now I got over Obia the play. But watch this. God over Obia was not the play we have to run with. I have a play named The Side Chick. See that one there is not just a movie, it's a player.
Say it again with the title.
The Side Chick.
The Side Chick.
Chick,
okay.
Woman on the side.
Right. Watch out for the dry ride. Alright.
So working on the side chick is gonna be something different. You know what I mean? You know we always try to be different.
Me ready for it.
Yeah. You know, we always try to do something different. So normally you go to play, you're taking a play. This is not just a play. The whole tagline is not just a play, it's a movie. So therefore you have a part of the thing where you watch a play. Yeah. Then next time when you like get the man a movie, you start to see real pan screen movie.
Yeah man.
We have changed it up.
Okay. This one versatile.
Yeah, so you watch people walk out on the stage, deal them thing, then boom, you start watch movie. That means somebody gone through the door and you look you see them out the door and walk.
No man, that one is so mad. Yeah. Tell them the name of it again.
The Side Chick. As a matter of fact, we're going by now in a couple of weeks we're gonna have the trailer. We're gonna release a trailer.
Okay.
Of it where you see it. Trust me, it's about relationship with love, you know, and the truth. You know, I know a woman know don't great. The thing is about some Christian woman who in a church. But they don't feel like they never do certain things for their husband, because in the name of Jesus, they don't listen love song. And you know, if you do certain things, you know, if you do everything, because the woman on the road are going to do it and take away your husband.
So simple on that one. Alright, where can they, for the promotion for that and trailer and stuff, where can people go and see that one?
Well, you can log on to me, just follow me on Facebook, because we are going on Facebook at Stefan Penninsilin. At STEFAN, Penninsilin. That or you can jump on YouTube, search for Penninsilin, Stefan Penninsilin, because everything on YouTube, YouTube it up. But then go on it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I go there. Like you must subscribe to your channel too.
They might do it, man.
Alright, if you subscribe to film channel, you will see me time.
Solid Rock Entertainment.
Solid Rock Entertainment. Boom bam. If it's not Solid Rock, it is not entertainment.
Man. Alright, Stefan. It was an honor and a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Alright, tuning out. Not tuning in anymore, we don't know. Tuning out until next time, Solid Rock. Out.
Remember, if it's not Solid Rock, it's not entertainment. I know.